Hello and welcome to Solitip and to the second part of the tutorial how to repair a broken rod tip. In the last part I showed you how you can splice in the solid graphite tip, a solid tip, into a hollow piece of the rod when the rod has broken in a tip section. Today I will show you how to finish this repair and how to use the carbon fiber roving to reinforce the portion and prevent it from breaking apart when there's pressure on the solid tip during the cast. Well, all you need is the carbon fiber roving and the rod itself, some stick tapes, and then I splice up the roving that way. The thickness of the roving normally is approximately 1 centimeter, and I only take a part from this so it is easier to work with. First you put the epoxy on the portion where you want to put the roving on. Not too much, not too less. Very helpful is a rod bench like this, and then you just use the carbon fiber roving. Okay, and before you put it in the oven for curing, you just wipe off the excess of the epoxy. So I first heat this up. And then simply wipe off the epoxy on the surface. Okay, and after a few hours of curing in the oven, you just pull off the tape and break off the excess of this roving material, and then finish it or sand it with first with a used number 40 grain sandpaper. That is all manual work. You only cut off the epoxy which is on the surface, not too deep into the carbon fiber roving, because it would break the roving. Okay, and then you use a 120 or what is it? Well, 120 sandpaper and just clean the surface. Best is to use a mask so that I can speak a little bit better. I left off the mask for avoiding to get this dust into the lungs. very harmful. Okay, and that is how it looks like now. And now you can use any kind of varnish just to finish it to the design of the blank. If you want to do it, it is not necessary. Then put on the rings and this is ready. Okay, that was all with that short tutorial. If you have any question, please don't hesitate to put a comment into the video or send me an email shown above on the screen and I will try to do my best to answer you and give you another hints and tips and tricks for rod building and rod repair. Okay, see you next time. Bye.